If your Roblox asset upload was rejected, follow these steps to fix it and successfully add it to your game. First, log into Roblox Studio or the Roblox website and go to Create. Then My Creations, then Assets. Check the rejection message carefully to see why the asset was rejected. Common reasons include inappropriate content, copyrighted material, or unsupported file types. Next, update the assets. Remove any copyrighted or prohibited content. Ensure the file is supported Mesh, FBX, or OBJ, image, PNG, or JPEG. Check the file name for special characters that Roblox might reject. After fixing the issues, try uploading the asset again. If it's still rejected, clear your browser cache or try a different browser. As a last step, contact Roblox support with the asset ID and error message for assistance. That's how to fix a Roblox asset upload that was rejected.